Hey wonderfuls, pardon this. I was up late last night watching a live stream. That's better. Hey wonderfuls. I had a different video planned for this weekend, but I received so much incredible support last night in the live stream, thanks to Matthew and the amazing community at VanlifePLUS. You guys rock. Thought I'd take a quick minute to thank you all so much for being here and to introduce the channel. I'm Kayla. This is Celeste. This is Akello. And this is Draja. We live on a small acreage in Alberta, Canada, and we do things to make life better. Van stuff, pet stuff, DIY stuff, and fun stuff. It would be so awesome to have you all along, getting to know us a little better, and joining us on our little life's journey as we try to get her better.